My name is King Halo, and this is an American Kinder Egg. Well, it's called Kinder Egg Joy, you see? And I want to open it up. So today I'm going to open this up, which I'm dying to open it up. It's an American Kinder Egg. You can only get these in America. These are the only kind of Kinder Eggs that you can get in America. Since people don't tell your mom and dad this, but some parents don't take care of their children. That's why we don't have other Kinder Eggs, which are more awesome. Whatever. So, I wanted to share this and see what an American Kinder Egg looks like. Okay, so you open it by the tab. Okay, this is like pretty much my first time. Okay, so you open it by the tab. Get this spoon off there. I'm gonna save the toy for later. No, that's the toy, because I can see like a little toy piece. Okay, so I'm gonna grab. Okay, so I'm going to open this up, and you see. And do you want to know what you see? You see two eyeballs. No. Okay, so you have like this, and you eat it with your thing somehow. Okay, so it's like this little tree. I think I should eat this later, but I'm just gonna have some right now. Yeah. Okay, I don't. It's sort of like ice cream. Okay, so back at the toy. So I'm gonna open the toy and see what I get. So I got this weird looking thing. And you have like this piece of paper. Don't throw it away, or else you don't know what the heck this thing is. So it has the instructions. And I guess I don't know what you're supposed to do. Okay, so you have, I'm gonna read it. So you have this piece, So you have this piece, and you put these little things that look like airplane wings. So they look like little airplane wings for some reason. And then you put the little legs on like this in the thing. And then you have, and then you have this go here, which is, I have no clue what the heck this is. Okay. Okay, so this looks like a robot. Okay, so yeah, it's a robot. It says build a stage for your robot. Okay, here's the robot. Yeah. Okay. So this is how you build a stage, which I don't know what you're supposed to do with this robot thing. So, and also I have this Minecraft channel I'm gonna make on YouTube. I'm trying to make it and figure out where I'm gonna. It's a Minecraft YouTube channel. It's called King Halo. And I'm gonna have like this, all of these different episodes, like Stampy Cat, or like the Diamond Minecart, or DDM whatever. Okay, so see you next time. Bye. Make sure you like or subscribe, and see you next time. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe all my videos and hope you like them. I also may have to look up if you have any questions, subscribe and ask questions if you want me to make any. See you at King Halo. Bye.